Okay, we're upstairs at the edge of the stairwell at the abandoned marijuana cannabis grow operation. What you're looking at on these white walls is the grow room number 2, grow room number 1 further down. Oops, a little bit too far zoomed in. The second grow room. That right there is the top of the walkway where we looked at lots of stuff in there. And then grow room number 3 is below us. And everything above and stored up there is included. That comes all the way around to here where the stairs are, which was the original mezzanine of the building. So this part stays, but from really that corner right there, from that room on, it's all removed, even the crap on the top. The same thing over here. They built the attic on top of the grow rooms. So you're removing the entire grow rooms and the contents above. And we're about to take a little walk and see what the contents are above in the next video.